Windows and doors are essential components of your home, contributing not only to its aesthetic appeal but also to its energy efficiency and security. Over time, wear and tear from the environment and daily use can cause them to deteriorate, and they may no longer perform as efficiently or effectively as they once did. If you live in Brandon, you know how the fluctuating temperatures and weather patterns can affect your home's windows and doors. Recognizing the signs that it's time for a replacement is key to maintaining your home's comfort, safety, and energy efficiency. Here are the top signs that it may be time to replace your windows and doors in Brandon. Drafts and temperature inconsistencies. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows and doors need replacing is the presence of drafts in your home. If you feel cold air seeping through your windows or doors in the winter or notice that your home struggles to stay cool in the summer, it's likely that the seals around these openings have worn out. Over time, the weather stripping and seals around windows and doors can break down, allowing air to leak in or out. This issue can cause temperature imbalances inside your home and force your heating and cooling systems to work harder. A replacement with energy-efficient windows and doors can significantly improve your home's comfort level, ensuring it remains at a consistent temperature year-round while also saving on energy bills. Condensation between the glass panes. If you have double or triple glazed windows and notice condensation or fog between the panes of glass, it's a clear indication that the seal has failed. Condensation trapped between the glass reduces visibility and can also lead to further damage, such as mold or mildew growth. Once the seals fail, moisture can accumulate, which not only diminishes the window's performance but also affects the clarity of your view. If this is happening to your windows, replacing them with new energy-efficient models can eliminate condensation, restore your view, and improve the insulation of your home. Visible damage to windows and doors. Cracks, chips, and warping are clear signs that your windows and doors need replacing. In Brandon, we experience various weather conditions, including rain and high winds, that can cause damage to windows and doors over time. Cracked glass or warped frames can compromise the functionality and security of your windows and doors. If you've noticed any visible damage, it's important to act promptly. Damaged windows and doors can make your home more vulnerable to the elements and reduce its energy efficiency. Replacing damaged components will not only improve the safety and security of your home but also boost its curb appeal. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking. Another sign that it's time for a replacement is if your windows and doors are hard to open, close, or lock. If you struggle to operate your windows or doors, it could be due to warped frames, broken hardware, or accumulated dirt and debris in the tracks. These issues can make it more difficult to secure your home properly. Windows and doors that don't function smoothly can pose a security risk, especially if you can't properly lock them. Replacing these fixtures with new, easy-to-operate models can restore the convenience and security of your home. Increased energy bills. Older windows and doors that are not properly sealed can significantly affect your home's energy efficiency. If you've noticed a sudden increase in your energy bills, it could be because your windows and doors are allowing heat to escape in the winter or allowing heat to enter in the summer. This puts a strain on your heating and cooling systems, leading to higher utility costs. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors can help reduce energy loss, leading to lower heating and cooling costs. Newer models are designed with advanced insulation properties, which can help maintain a more consistent indoor temperature while reducing your carbon footprint. Aesthetic decline or outdated appearance. Windows and doors can significantly influence the overall look of your home. If your windows and doors are outdated, chipped, or starting to show signs of wear, it can negatively affect the curb appeal of your property. Old or worn-out windows and doors may detract from the overall appearance of your home and make it look dated. Replacing your windows and doors is an excellent opportunity to update the look of your home. There are various styles and materials available, from modern vinyl windows to elegant wooden doors, allowing you to choose options that enhance your home's design and boost its market value. Excessive noise from outside. If you've noticed that your home is constantly filled with outside noise, it could be because your windows and doors are not effectively blocking sound. Older windows, especially single-pane models, often provide poor sound insulation, allowing noise from traffic, neighbors, or other outdoor sources to penetrate your home. Upgrading to new, soundproof windows and doors can create a quieter and more peaceful living environment by reducing the amount of noise that enters your home. This can be especially important if you live in a busy area of Brandon or near a major road. Conclusion: if you're experiencing any of these issues with your windows or doors, it may be time to consider a replacement. Replacing old or damaged windows and doors with energy-efficient, secure, and attractive new models can provide numerous benefits, from improved comfort to enhanced curb appeal. Whether you're dealing with drafts, condensation, or difficulty operating your windows, a replacement can help restore your home's performance and aesthetics. Make sure to consult with a professional window and door replacement company in Brandon to ensure you choose the best options for your home and enjoy the full benefits of an upgrade.